There are so many K-beauty products on the market right now. Beauty expert Shira Ben has tested a lot of them.
I did a lot of research for this segment, and it was so fun. So, Korean beauty, right? We're talking innovation, different textures, and the focus really is on the skin, Annette.
And they are so far ahead of us.
They're light years ahead. And I thought I tried it all, I was just telling you, but for this segment, doing the research, trying the different formulas, the textures, there's so much going on with the K-beauty category. So incredible. My skin's never felt better, never looked more glowy, which was a bonus for research, for doing all the research. So yeah, so it's really about texture and strengthening the skin so that it's the healthiest, glowiest, glassiest version of itself. So they don't use makeup as a band-aid. You do the skincare
to enhance.
Yes. So exactly, makeup is going to enhance, but the skincare really is to optimize the health of the skin. And again, light years ahead in technology, texture, formulation, incredible.
Okay.
So talking about texture.
Texture is a big thing with this one.
Yeah, a huge one. So actually, this is the Glow Recipe Prickly Pear Peptide Serum. So it's a mucin-based, prickly pear-based mucin. So in K-beauty, a lot of the products have snail mucin in, which is the slime that comes out of the snail to really give you a bounce and a glow. Thank goodness our friends at Glow Recipe have a prickly pear option.
Okay.
Because, you know, as much as I love doing research, snail on my skin, not so much.
Okay.
So it's a great product enriched with antioxidants, so it's going to really give you a glow. It's got that bounce, that gorgeous, like, pulley, stringy mucin texture. So, so good. A brand that I'd never tried before is Shira. And this particular serum is a hyaluronic acid ceramide blend, which is a very, very unique formula. Perfect for sensitive skin. If you have dry, uncomfortable, flaky skin, this will be your holy grail. I am blown away.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So that's a serum.
It's a serum. And now from Hanul, we have their Yuja Overnight Sleep Mask. So it's a Korean citron, so it gives a brightening effect, plumping effect. It's got niacinamide in for smoothing texture. Overnight treatments are huge with K-beauty. So you apply it instead of your moisturizer, go to sleep, wake up in the morning with the freshest, plumpest, most gorgeous textured skin ever, and such a nice lightweight formula. It doesn't actually feel like a heavy mask at all.
So you're not worried about what's in your pillowcase afterwards?
You do not have to worry at all. It's beautiful. And then they also have these really unique toning pads from Hanul as well. Also with that Yuja, that vitamin C, niacinamide. So really, really going to help exfoliate the skin, brighten the skin. And it's a little treat. If you leave it on the skin instead of just swiping it, which you can do, you also can have a little mask moment as well. So really love this. And some makeup. So Tear, they have their red cushion foundation, been viral everywhere, full coverage, lasts up to 72 hours, which I didn't put to the test, but it is very long wear. Available in 4 different shades, and it does have that skincare element as well, so you're going to have healthy, fresh looking skin throughout the day. And lastly, from Romand, I have the Glasting Lip Gloss. I'm wearing it today in the shade Cherry.
It's beautiful.
Isn't it so pretty? It's not sticky at all. You see, when I'm talking, my lips aren't sticking
and your hair's not sticking to it.
So it's got that glass-like finish, which really lends itself to that K-beauty aesthetic where it's fresh, it's not overly done, the skin looks glowy, the lips are glassy, so not glossy, glassy. And again, just so much innovation. It was such a pleasure to try out all these products, learn about new brands. I grabbed these at Shoppers Drug Mart. The skincare is all available at Sephora, which I had no idea they had such a huge selection.
So if you've got questions, the beauty experts there can help you, and you've got more in your blog as well.
I do, yeah, and it was just so cool to learn about like this category that's opening up to us and the unique innovation. So absolutely, if you're looking to try something new for the fall, winter, try some K-beauty. Your skin will be so happy.
Okay, I love how happy your skin are, and then your skin is in that it's made you so happy.
I'm just like so thrilled about all of this. Yeah, so thanks to Tansy, the producer, for like giving me the idea.
Okay, we'll get your links up on our website at chch.com.